The YubiKey ensures strong verification of a user's identity before they're given access to sensitive information. As a privileged user, IT admins often perform sensitive tasks, such as accessing shared network drives or installing software on employee devices. This requires them to provide elevated admin credentials, often multiple times a day. Let's see how quickly and easily an IT admin can securely authenticate themselves with the simplified smart card capabilities of the YubiKey. First, the IT admin logs in with a username and password, and then, when prompted, taps the YubiKey to emit a one-time password. Once logged in, they launch a remote support desktop to securely assist a user. When prompted, all the admin has to do is enter the smart card PIN, and they're securely verified and ready to assist the remote user. The YubiKey protects the digital you and secures privileged users effectively with a fast and easy user experience for maximum productivity.